I'm on activity 19, debtors allowances account, and debtors allowances is an expense account and it's also an expense. Owner's equity account is also an expense. Okay, so we will write the transaction always on the debit side here because it decreases the owner's equity. It makes the money of the business less. That's why there's nothing on the credit side here. Okay, so where do I get this 900? I get it in the DAJ, not the DJ. DAJ. Okay, that's a mistake there, so DAJ. So therefore what I'm doing now, I'm going to the debtors allowances journal, and there you'll see debtors allowances of 900, which means we gave the debtor a 900 Rand discount because we overcharged them on the invoice. Okay, so that 900 Rand is the amount. That's a total as well. It would have been the final total because it's the only transaction as well. Okay, so the other account, we're in the debtors allowances journal. It has to do with debtors, so the other account is debtors control. So debtors allowances is debited with 900 Rand. So the account below the line, which I see here is debtors control, is therefore the credit account. So look at debtors control and you will see on the credit side there's a 900 Rand. So debtors control is credited with 900 Rand. So what effectively happens here, the two accounts swaps around. Debtors allowances at the top, debtors control at the bottom. So we've got the 900 Rand on the left hand side. Debtors allowances is debited with 900. Now debtors control must go to the top, debtors allowances must go to the bottom, and therefore the 900 Rand is on the credit side. But remember, the one at the top determines if something is debited or credited. So debtors control is credited with 900 Rand. That one must go to the top here, and then we must take the 900 Rand to the debit side. Debtors allowances makes the owner's equity less and is debited, and we have less debtors. The account decreases by 900 Rand. And how does it decrease? Because it's an asset. And assets decrease on the credit side and increases on the debit side. So we're seeing that the debtor is decreasing. So that's debtors allowances.